How to sign out YouTube account. So if you want to sign out of your YouTube account, then this video might help you. So make sure you watch this video till the end and do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So right now I am at the home page of YouTube, from where you will be able to explore to various videos. Over here in the right upper corner you can see there is my profile. So if you tap over there, you'll be able to see your profile along with other settings. So here is an arrow option at the right hand side. Just tap over there, and at the bottom there is a manage account option and learn more about account option. Just go for manage accounts, and wherever you have logged in with this account will be available in this section. So you just have to go to the Gmail account which you want to sign out, and here is a remove account option. So you just have to tap over the remove account option. By doing that, this Gmail account will be removed from YouTube, which means you'll be able to sign out of your YouTube account. So this is how easily you can sign out of YouTube account. So I hope this video was helpful. If you want us to make any tutorial videos on any topics, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.